Langflow is the most popular open-source low-code AI builder. 149,000 GitHub stars, over 9,000 forks, and 17,000 commits. It's one of the fastest-growing AI projects on the planet. Langflow lets you build AI agents and workflows by dragging and dropping components on a canvas. Connect LLMs, vector databases, tools, and agents visually. No boilerplate code needed. Every component is built in Python and fully customizable. Click into any component, edit its source code, and see changes instantly. Test your flows in the built-in playground with step-by-step control. See inputs and outputs at every stage before you deploy. Deploy your flow as a REST API or as an MCP server. Turn your workflows into tools that any MCP client can use. Langflow also integrates with LangSmith and Langfuse for observability. Install with pip in seconds. Run with UV pip install Langflow then UV run Langflow run. It starts on port 7860. Docker is also available with a single command. And Langflow Desktop for Windows and Mac OS includes everything out of the box. Supports all major LLMs, OpenAI, Anthropic, Llama, Mistral, Ollama, Groq. Vector databases, Pinecone, Qdrant, Milvus, Weaviate, MongoDB. Integrates with hundreds of tools and data sources. Self-host locally, deploy via Docker, or use the free cloud version. The same Langflow whether you use open source or cloud.